Hello everyone and welcome to the VeloSaver family. Hope you're enjoying watching my videos I have uploaded so far, and if you're enjoying and if you like the content I'm making, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or feedback, reach out to me, let me know what you think about it, and I'll surely try to take care of them. So let's see what we have today. So we have this custom bat which has significant damage at multiple places here, right here. Hope you can see in your screen. I have marked most of these cracks, and on the other side edge as well. There's multiple cracks around here. So volume wise, there are a lot of cracks, and this bat seems to have been repaired in the past at multiple places. So yeah, so we have to, you know, we usually avoid taking bats which are repaired somewhere else for obvious reasons, but this is one of the exceptions we have made. So we'll see. We'll repair all these cracks, and we'll do a refurb on this bat. Let's see how it turns out. Let's quickly start repairing this bat. It has a lot of cracks, so we'll be a bit busy on this one. So let's see how it goes. So this is our raw look after the repair process. We have to do a round of cleanup and then we'll see. So this is the final look of the bat post repair. All these cracks along the edges have been taken care of. That cracks other side as well, and then we eventually found some cracks around the solder right about here, so we have taken care of that as well. So bat is all ready to be delivered.